Do you want a quick 3-day forecast of the weather? So this is for July 2nd, which is today, July 3rd, and the 4th of July, America's 250th birthday. So starting off July 2nd, this is actually the most prominent day for severe weather. This is our map. The orange spots, which would mean South Dakota, actually the eastern part of South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, and northwestern Iowa, you're all under a level 3 enhanced risk. And then there's also a slight risk in some of the south, mainly Tennessee, slight risk in Kansas, and then that same slight risk surrounding the enhanced risk in South Dakota is for North Dakota, South Dakota, southern Nebraska, central northern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and extreme northern Illinois. The main threat is gonna be wind, and very damaging winds up to like 80 miles per hour is possible. South Dakota, kind of the same areas I was just talking about. Hail is also possible, some big hail balls, and tornado or two is possible, but the tornado is not going to be the biggest threat. So here is Friday, July 3rd. Kind of the same stuff, but the risk has shifted a little bit south. So now Nebraska and western Iowa are under an enhanced risk. There's also a huge slight risk extending from South Dakota and Nebraska all the way to places like New York City, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. So it's more of a widespread risk. Again, the main threat is going to be damaging winds, most likely in that Nebraska and western Iowa area. Some big hail balls are possible with a Sig 1 risk, and also a couple tornadoes are possible in Nebraska, South Dakota, southern South Dakota, and western Iowa. And for the big day, Saturday, July 4th, good news so far, nothing major. We just have a slight risk, two slight risks actually. One in that is Colorado, that is eastern Colorado, western Kansas, and kind of southwestern Nebraska. Then a marginal risk surrounding that. And then there's also another slight risk from New York City all the way down to Virginia and some of Ohio. And then details on this will be given out tomorrow, but that is our severity map. Thank you for watching.